The Telangana police on Friday arrested a 32-year-old man, a resident of Hyderabad, from the airport, alleging that he was on his way to Syria to join the Islamic State. Salman Moinuddin is an engineer who underwent training in the US. He was arrested from the airport before he could board a flight to Dubai. The police allege he was meant to join his girlfriend Nikki Joseph, a British national. They say his plan was to reach Dubai and then head to Syria via Turkey. Nikki is the wife of a UK-based doctor who recently converted to Islam and now goes by the name Aisha.
He created an account under the name Dawla Newsroom and started posting videos relating to ISIS activities. When our local police got the information about his activities, we intercepted him and he is taken into custody. He also confessed to have indoctrinated certain youth in our country.
And my colleague Uma Sudhir spoke to Salman Moinuddin's father.
We are at the residence of Salman Moinuddin, who the police said that they had apprehended at Shamshabad airport on his way to join the ISIS. I have with me the father of Salman. Sir, you retired as a government servant and you believe that your son has been implicated for no crime at all.
He is, you see, my son is 100%, I have faith that he is innocent and honest. He is not involved in any criminal activity. Police have arrested him, maybe based on his thinking, but there is no illegal activity. See, thinking is not a crime.
What was he going to Dubai for?
He was going for a job, madam. He could not get job visa in USA. That is why he returned about 1 or 2 months back and he was going to Dubai for a job.
Were you aware of his activities on social media? What the police right now is only saying is that he created Facebook pages on which he posted ISIS literature and that he was trying to indoctrinate other youth to take up the jihadi path.
I don't believe this, madam. I don't believe this. He is not involved in all those political activity.